It's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with another Shake It, Scrap It, Create It. So this week's prompts were the number 6, embossing, and washi. And I am also doing day 18 of May I Scraplift You, and I am scraplifting Oh Mama Rodsy Scrapbooking and Scents. She is at 1,320 subscribers, so she would love, I'm sure, to hit her next goal. And I am doing this double page that is pretty simple. It's a pretty simple horizontal layout, and I'm going to try to work in the other things. I do apologize because this is late. And I was at a scrapbook retreat this past weekend from Thursday till Sunday. And I just didn't get a chance to film the Shake It, Scrap It video. So there will be 2 videos today, so be sure to watch them both. So let's just get to it. And I'm combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. So I'm using my Simple Stories Vintage Life in Bloom collection, pieces from it. I use this embossing folder to emboss my paper here, as you can see. Well, maybe you can see, it'll show up. And then I also embossed my title. This is a title that was made by Mallory, and I have some ephemera pieces, some flowers from Hobby Lobby, cardstock. I have this sticker pack out. I thought maybe I could work some stickers or something in to finish using this book up. And I am going to do pictures of my Kaylee Boo from several years ago. They're so cute. So let's just get to it. Oh, and I didn't mention that I did get my washi out. I have 3 different ones. I am terrible about using it, so I kind of laid things out before I got started. And I put pieces on there so I could remember to pull it out to use it. So I'm just going to lay all this stuff aside, and I'm going to work on gluing some stuff down to start with. I think I'm going to go ahead and add my washi, and then I can add these strips up top so I kind of know where they go. Okay, I'm going to put my big title here. I'm going to put it down the side over here. And of course, I'm going to add my pictures on. I think I'm going to put this right here. Or I might do it lower, I don't know. Alright, so now I'm just going to add in my little extra ephemera. Got my butterflies, my flowers. taking my inspiration with this half circle like she did to journal on, but I'm not. I don't think I'm going to journal. I don't really need to journal this. I'm just going to leave this little spot so that I can add the date in. And she had this little extra title here, so I think I'm going to add this here and then put things around it, some flowers and stuff, and go down. And that's going to be my inspiration and how I end up using it. And I think I have some extra, maybe another title, a small title or something in here that I could put over there off of this page at the top. So let's see what I can find. Alright, so I think this is going to be the layout. I apologize for the glare. I love the way it turned out. It's very simple and streamlined, which is not me. But you can definitely see how I took the inspiration from her layout. So definitely go over and check her out. Her name is Vicky. Oh Mama Rosie Scrapbooking and Scent. She will be tagged in the title down below. And we need to shake for next week's prompts. Okay, so we have shapes, colors, and numbers. If you are new, this is just prompts that I do every Sunday. Like I said, this one's posting late. And you can play along over on my scrapbook group, Creative Chaos in Tennessee, which is linked below. We shake the 3 jars. We get a prompt out of each jar, and you just create a project. Doesn't even have to be a layout. It could be a card, a junk journal, anything you want, just using the prompts. It's just to get you thinking creative and out of the box. So, let's see what we get out of this one. Oh, the color lime. That would have been perfect because the color of the background in that is totally lime. Okay, embellishments. Oh, we only have 2 left, and then I'll have to refill it. So next week will be our last week getting a prompt out of this. We got tag, so the color lime, and a tag, and let's see what we get for techniques and tools. Scissors. So just use your scissors for something. You could fussy cut, you could do all kinds of things. You could use decorative scissors. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Again, I apologize for being late. I'm trying to get back to real life. It's always so hard coming back to real life from those retreats. But I had a ton of fun. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that it inspires you. And until next time, bye y'all.